This video is being made in April of 2016, and this is the products page of my website, www.msullivan.com. My name is Marilyn Sullivan. I am a real estate attorney and real estate broker, and am considered the foremost expert on working out troubled loans by loan modifications and short sales. I have facilitated hundreds of loan modifications and about the same number of short sales. The loan workout process is incredibly complex, as you probably know, particularly the Making Home Affordable program, known as MHA, which includes the Home Affordable Modification program, known as HAMP, the program that modifies your loan. HAMP offers excellent terms and low interest rates, term extensions, and principal reduction for upside-down borrowers, meaning a loan-to-value of over 115%. These programs, implemented in 2009, expire at the end of 2016. And what a shame it is that most borrowers experiencing hardship have not been helped due to the convolution of these programs. It isn't just the complexity, it is that these programs base success on meeting certain formulas which borrowers invariably fail due to misinterpretation of financial information. It's not the borrower's fault. The problem is that these consumer relief programs were born at a time when America was caught in a conundrum of such humongous proportions that has taken these last 7 years to work the quirks out. This dilemma has resulted in millions of homeowners losing their properties over the last 7 years, and those who were able to keep them still suffering hardship. Most consumers are not even aware that in 2012, in order to bring about a more global solution, these programs were vastly expanded to also include rental and investment properties and up to 6 modifications per person. So now is the time to try to make up for this travesty by availing ourselves of the benefits of these programs before they expire in a matter of months at the end of 2016. I am committed to doing my part in the process, and it has taken me 7 years of constant study to understand the process, as only an attorney stuck in the downturn with a multitude of upside-down properties and with a client base suffering the same hardship could do. Study of the constantly changing 250-page Making Home Affordable Handbook and cross-referencing all fields in these programs takes a fanatical analyst. And I fit this description since this is exactly what I did to create real estate equity sharing, to fit the varying needs of the occupier, the investor, and the Internal Revenue Code. Over these past 7 years, during the real estate recession, I have obtained successful modifications for myself and clients, resulting in 2% interest rates, term extensions, and twice involving $300,000 principal reductions. On my website, you can take a look at the testimonials page here. Some of them are included there. Since these programs expire in less than a year, and I can only help so many clients, and many cannot afford my services, and I have a very strong spiritual inclination, I have devoted the last 3 months to creating a document set that resolves the issues I have described and allows you to work out your own loans with the very best chance of success without breaking your budget. The products are priced at $39 and below, and I'm going to take you through each one of those. The process of doing this was nothing less than excruciating, but it is now done. So the document set consists of 10 products, and here are those products. These are the equity sharing products, sorry. And here are the loan workout products. You'll begin with the loan workout coach and move on to the rest of these products. So the first is the loan workout coach. The second is income and expense coach. Well, we'll go through them all. And you'll begin with the coach and go on from there, and it will depend on what your situation is as to how many products you'll need. So when you go to my website, it will open up each product, and then you can take a closer look, and there's a better description of it. And let's go through each one of these. The first is where you'll begin with the loan workout coach. And this is a 6-page PDF document, and it goes through what the problems are with the loan modification program and short sales, and why they've been plagued with so many problems, and how I've resolved these problems. And then it takes you through a test to determine if you're preliminarily eligible, and if you are, to go on to the next step. If you're not, what to do. And so that's what this document does. And basically, if you're moving forward, which you are in most situations, you'll next go to the income and expense coach and the income and expense statement. So let's go to those. Income and expense coach is the most amazing document, because what I've done is, on the Excel spreadsheet that goes with this, I've converted your numbers from your expenses and income to conform to the government's formulas, so that your numbers will come out correctly on the test online, the government's test online, and when making application for both a loan modification or a short sale. So here I step you through income, exactly how to calculate it. If it's self-employment income, you need to also fill out the profit and loss statement so that you can come up with adjusted gross income. Government benefits, how they are calculated. Rental income, you'll fill out the rental income statement so that the government's calculation of 75% times gross income minus expenses, all expenses PITIA, gives adjusted rental income, which is not explained in the documents, and this is how it has to be calculated so that you will come within the government formula. So then it takes you through all of how you include all of your expenses. And it's a very long document, but this is what is required. And what happens is you end up completing the income and expense statement, which is an Excel document. And so those categories, you insert the figures as have been described on the income and expense coach on this Excel spreadsheet, and then gross income is arrived at. And I built in auto formulas everywhere to convert your numbers to the government formula. So the spreadsheet does it for you, and has the categories that are needed to come up with gross income, rental income, which requires the rental income statement, which I'll show you in just a moment, and your expenses and your monthly expenses for the property that you want to work out. So if you are self-employed, then you also get this document, profit and loss statement. And again, you know, they're all available here on my website. And here's the profit and loss statement, $29. Rental income statement is $29. So I've done my best to make them really affordable for you. So profit and loss statement is here. And this helps you to insert your 1 month income, 2nd month's income, 3rd month's income. It averages them out for you. And then it prompts you to include the expenses of your business so that it arrives at a monthly expense and then the ultimate number that is needed, which is monthly gross adjusted income. Reason this is important is the government documents don't tell you to, they're saying that they want gross income, they're emphasizing that, and when it comes to your own business, it really is adjusted gross income. It's not gross income, so we need to come up with adjusted gross income. And if you have a rental property, the rental income statement is absolutely necessary. And let's make this a little smaller. Takes you through 6 properties if you have 6. So it's a very complex document, but all the formulas are hidden, and all you do is follow the income and expense coach, which tells you how to fill out the rental income statement and where to put your numbers, and then it takes the numbers from this spreadsheet and tells you where to insert them on the income and expense statement. So then, if you're seeking a loan modification, then what happens is you obtain the loan modification test coach, which the government program online is here. And you know, the documents step you through this website, and let's move this around so you can see it. Well, in any event, this is the website you'll go to take the government loan modification test. And the document, I guess I'm using preview, the loan mod test coach, let's make this a little smaller, takes you through each and every field that is in the online test and tells you which number from which document, which invariably is the income and expense statement, to input in the online test, and guide you as to what to do when you are shown to be eligible and when you're shown not to be eligible. And so, presuming that you've been found eligible, then we move from there. If ineligible, the instructions are in here. So then you would move on to, let's take another look at my website. The next document would be the loan workout application coach. And this is it on my website, and let's go and take a look at this document. The Loan Workout Application Coach. And this again is a 6-page PDF file, and it takes you through each and every question on the loan workout application, which is called the request for mortgage assistance if your loan is not government owned, and it is called the Uniform Borrower Assistance Form if your loan is government owned. So it takes you through each and every question and how to answer it on the application in line with how you answered it online when you were found eligible, which is in line with the numbers that are on the income and expense statement. And finally, the applications themselves are on my website free of charge for you, so that you can have them right there so you can move ahead with making application for either a short sale or a loan modification. So let's go back here, and let's go back here. So my website, msullivan.com, has a lot of information about loan workouts aside from these products. But I really hope that you will take advantage of this opportunity while it's here, and while the government programs are still here, and while you have these tools to aid you in really having the best chance of success with a loan workout. So, and email me if you have any problems. Just go to my website and email me, or my email address is ms@msullivan.com. Good luck.